follow me. Let's go and take some strawberry from the farm, and then we use it to make our strawberry juice for this Ramadan. Here is the strawberry. We are going to be picking it, so we use it for Ramadan juice, guys. Look at how huge this strawberry farm look. It look very huge, and before you reach that side, in fact, you have already tired, guys. Finally, guys, look at the one I picked. I think it's enough, so let's go. Yeah, it's very sweet on its own taste. It's very huge. Look. Yeah, here's the strawberry. I'm going to give it a quick rinse and wash it very well. Then we'll start cutting it and then transfer it in the blender. Yeah. So guys, here is how we are going to be doing it. Just like this. And then we're putting it here. Like that. This is the strawberry I'm going to be using, and some sugar. Well, I know amount of sugar I'll be using, so that is why I didn't measure. And yogurt. You can use any yogurt of your choice. Now let's add the milk. This one you will need a lot of milk. I'm not adding water to it, so that is why I'm adding a lot of milk. And if you want to add water, you can add water to your own. Yeah. So let's go and give it a quick blend and then come back. Hello, we are done blending. Our strawberry yogurt smoothie is ready, or you can call it strawberry juice, anyhow you wanted it. And also you can add ice in it, or put it in the fridge, or put it in a bowl and then put it in the freezer as ice cream. You can drink it anyhow. And also our iftar time is ready, so they are just waiting for this smoothie. Yes, so here is it, how nice and so colorful it look. The moment I finish blending this strawberry yogurt smoothie, my daughter decided to drink her own smoothie. Then I decided to pour it in this white cup for her to enjoy. Here I'm zooming the camera to show you how amazing and so foamy it look. It looks so foamy and very tasty, very natural and very sweet taste. Thank you so much, my amazing, wonderful people. See you in my next video.